Hi, this is Kelly Hoskins coming to you from the city of Minot in the cold, cold state of North Dakota. This is my overview of an MOOC, which means the Massive Open Online Course. I chose Understanding Classroom Interaction from edX to do my overview. When you open up the course, this is the front page, and it gives the welcome, and we find out who the professor is, the TA, and then we have the modules here. When I do the reading about this, these are 5 self-paced modules, and information within the course says that it should take 5 to 6 weeks to complete each of the modules. But it's self-paced, and so you can go through it. I'm going to click on over here to the syllabus. And in the syllabus, it gives us who the audience is, classroom teachers at all levels and subject areas. The content of this course is teaching analytic tools in order for teachers to do their own analysis of communication within their classroom in order to facilitate better classroom dialogue and information about their students to improve their instructional methods. This is the instructor and the TA that's assigned to this particular course. The course, by the way, is already closed. It ended on September 19th of 2018. Looking at the objectives here, what strikes me is that this definitely points to a very low rigor course. These are not measurable objectives. It simply states what the students are going to learn. So this particular course was just to transmit information to those who are participating within the course. Here again, you see that it's designed for practicing teachers and undergraduate 3rd and 4th year and graduate students who are studying, teaching, or tutoring. It gives us what the course format is, lecture videos, quizzes, final assignment, and discussion forums. Unfortunately, when I was going through the discussion forums, I do not think that this is a very good use of discussion forums, probably because it's self-paced. I found that the discussion forums were not very useful, and even though people would post to the discussion forum, there was no discussion going on. Quizzes are 80% of the grade. It says 2 attempts are permitted per question, but actually once you get inside the course itself, I discovered that you actually have more than 2 attempts depending on the question. And then the final assignment is 20% of the grade. 75% is considered the passing grade, but it would be really easy to get 75%. This is an extremely low rigor course. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the stuff that I liked about this course. First of all, they have examples over here of the final assignment, which basically is videotaping, doing of your own classroom, doing a transcription of that videotape, and then doing some analysis once you've learned all the different tools of analyzing. I'm going to go ahead and click on the module, and when you click on a module, you see others will open up, and then when you click on this, even more will open up. And she has a pattern that I am going to maybe incorporate into my own course design, where she has the instruction, knowledge check, discussion forum, instruction, knowledge check, instruction, knowledge check, discussion forum. So she has these knowledge checks after she does her instruction. And when you click on this, you can see that her instruction, all of the instructions that's given here is not a whole bunch of reading, but instead she teaches using videos. And so since this is an informational type of course, the information comes from her teaching. And then over here on the side, she has the transcripts. And so you watch the video, you can read the transcript, and that's basically what the course is about. That's it.